Welcome to Rome. And the weather there isn't good, but I think your period in Rome will be a marvelous period. I think it's possible also to organize for you a specific visit in our cities in a particular moment. I try. It's a great pleasure for me to participate of two symposium of IEEE. I worked in telecommunication for 20 years in the operators in Italy, so I like this part of the activities. My name is Emilio Frezza. I am head of department of technological resources and population registry of City of Rome. And we show you a short presentation about ICT and our municipality. We are seeing that information and the telecommunication technology and the digital economy are transforming every day our life. So they are transforming our ways to knowing about everyday life. For this reason, we think that ICT government is vital for delivering efficient, cost-effective public services which are responsive to the needs of citizens and the businesses. Citizens. We have in Rome more than 2 million inhabitants, 2,800,000, and also the tourists are our citizens. We have more or less 10 million tourists per year. This is a young city with 500,000 students and more than 200,000 attend the university. So this is a young city. Just as important the needs of businesses. In Rome, more than 200 enterprises are working in different fields. Trade is 25% of the business sector, but the second is scientific and technical activities with 19%. In this field, there is also ICT field, very important for all. To govern this city, there is a municipality. In this municipality are working 25,000 employees with 14 front-end departments, 9 staff departments, 8 support departments. But the governance is very complicated because in our cities there are 19 cities, medium-sized cities. The municipi is the name in Italian. The least populated municipio is the second with 50,000 inhabitants, while the largest is the 80th municipio with 200,000 inhabitants. So we manage a significant infrastructure in ICT. We have a data center, very important data center with the system of disaster recovery. We have more or less 16,000 PCs, 270 LAN, and an important network with 200 sites connected with fiber optic in IP and PLS. And we have also 1,300 schools in XDSL network, also in IP and PLS. We have also an important portal. For this portal, there are at the moment 40 million visits per year. So in this portal, there are also important area of interactive services for citizens. Our major has identified specific target for managers employees and politicians also. And the most important for my task are the following. 3 important statements: increasing the quality of services provided to the citizens and enterprises, more efficiency of the administration, and creating an environment favorable to innovation and development of the territory. 3 statements important for us. In ICT sector, more efficient administration is joined as increasing the transparency and efficiency of ICT systems. For this reason, we have different projects. The first is reducing paper-based processes. The second, deployment new fleet management. The third, unified communication. The last, new vision of data center management. This is our Gantt of the project. The most important project is reducing paper-based processes. We think that the paper is an enemy of transparency. And we work 6 million documents, official documents per year. Is a huge number. At the end of the August, after 2 years, we digitalized 70% of the documents. It's a good performance. I think it's the best performance in Italy. It's very important for us and for processes in Rome. The second project in this field is unified communication. The infrastructure is very important. We are realizing an important system, voice over IP, and we'll have, I think, at the end of the next year, 16,000 voice IP phone and only 2 PBX. We realize instead an important messaging system with 22,000 mail, and we have at the moment 500,000 messaging per week. We have a few handsets in mobile field, 2,000. The reason is that in the municipality in Italy there are the strong taxes for use the mobility. It's strange, but it is a reality. We started also with a specific tool of collaboration for 300 managers. We are a trial for video with webcam in the PCs in every part of our municipality. But we want to integrate in a single platform voice, data, images, and we are making an important project about this field, unified communication. Second target of our mayor is increasing the quality and the services provided for citizens and enterprises. Also in this case, the ICT sector is joined as 2 statements, different statements, unleashing the potential of human resources constraints and overcoming barriers with new paths and ways of working. For this, there are specific projects of change management. The second statement is improving access to online services and promoting participation by citizens and businesses. We have 3 important projects: open data, new application for citizens, live event, and for businesses, a new portal with interoperability with other administration, and a specific system of identity management. In the second area, we have at the moment 14 macro area with interactive services for citizens in our portal. This is an important but difficult project for us, change management. Change management, because if the propensity to use the internet decreases, with increases the age of the individuals, the situation in Roma is this: 51% of citizens are in this area. There is a strong use of internet. But in our municipality, the situation is different. We have 51% of employees in this area, but it's bad. The managers, I am one of the managers, 77 managers are as in this area. So it's bad to innovate. For this reason, for us it's very, very important, this project. We defined ICT target for managers and employees and measure them with internet every week. Only in this way, I think, is possible to change mentality. We launched 2 weeks ago our website Open Data, and we are confident that the companies will develop application, apps. The futures are the apps in the moment for smartphone and tablet. And we think that apps will be more suitable for the needs of citizens and also for enterprises. The last target was creating an environment favorable to innovation and development of the territory. Also in this case, in the ICT sector, we have two different statements: building the city of the future, safer, smarter, connected. For this reason, we have 3 important projects: computerization of schools, computerization of local police, ICT integration with public utilities. In Roma, there are important public utilities participated to the municipality, like in the different fields, like energy, like transport, like garbage, etc. The second statement is to promote the wave of diffusion of broadband and NGN. This is the topic of this symposium. Our dream is a digital Rome with NGN LTE services. 25% of our employees are working in local police. For them, we are realizing a new network Tetra with 6,000 handsets, 40 base stations connected with a fiber optic network to transmit voice and data geolocalized in our cities. This is an important project that started 2 months ago. I think it will be finished in next year. 29% of our employees are kindergarten teachers. And for this, we realized a new IPM PLS network to connect 129 schools and to guarantee services for the teachers, but also for 46,000 children and for their family. This is our dream. We started in the 2010 with a specific project of NGN. In a specific area of Rome, in Collina Fleming, we realized a network with NGN, with a fiber to the home, point to point, for 7,400 houses, 100 megabits for citizen and 1 gigabits for business client. We hope that similar project will become as usual for Rome, but it's very difficult because the investment is very high. In LTE, I like the mobile field. Public Wi-Fi and LTE together will be the new project, and we hope to launch at the end of this year. We are working very strong in this field. So thank you for your attention. I think you have, after this short presentation, a better knowledge of Rome, of our cities, and a good symposium. And I think I hope to see you in our visit in our museum. Thank you very much.